Hey there, fellow coders. Today, we dive into the most game-changing programming tools you need in 2024 to level up your coding skills. First on the list is GitHubCopilot X, the AI-powered coding assistant, taking the world by storm. This tool has supercharged developers' productivity by predicting and writing code for you, making coding faster and smarter. It's like having a coding partner, but it never takes a break. From writing complex algorithms to fixing bugs, Copilot X has you covered. But GitHub Copilot comes with a price tag of $10 monthly, but you can use other free models like Llama Coder. Next up is Vitejs, the next general front-end tool you didn't know you needed. If you hate slow build times, Vite is about to be your best friend. With lightning-fast server start and build performance, it's built to save you time. Imagine building your project in seconds, not minutes. Vitejs makes developing web applications feel effortless, especially with modern frameworks like React or Vue. Let's talk about Docker, a must-have for 2024. Whether you're working on a team or solo, Docker helps you containerize your application so you can run it anywhere, anytime. No more "it works on my machine" excuses. Whether you're setting up a new project or deploying across multiple environments, Docker keeps everything in sync, allowing you to focus more on code and less on configuration. For all my design-conscious devs out there, TailwindCSS is the framework you need in 2024. Gone are the days of writing endless custom CSS. Tailwind gives you utility-first classes, letting you style your apps and websites with speed and precision. Plus, with JIT just-in-time mode, it only generates the CSS you actually need. Tailwind CSS is perfect for creating clean, modern UI in no time. Last but definitely not least, VisualStudioCode extensions. VS Code is a powerhouse already, but the right extensions can take it to the next level. From Prettier to ESLint, LiveShare, and Bracket Pair Colorizer, these tools will streamline your development experience. Whether you want automatic code formatting, real-time collaboration, or more organized code, VS Code extensions are your secret weapon. That's a wrap on the top 5 programming tools every developer needs in 2024. What tool can't you live without? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe for more content that'll help you stay ahead in the world of coding. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, folks.